In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change ClickUp Profile Picture. Let's get right into it. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can update your image in just a minute. First, open your ClickUp account. You can do this from the web app in your browser or the desktop app. Make sure you're signed in and on your main workspace view so everything we need is easy to find. Once you're in, click on your profile. You'll typically see your current avatar or initials in the lower left or upper right corner of the screen, depending on your layout. Clicking your profile opens a small menu with options related to your account. From that menu, click Settings. This takes you to your personal account settings page where you can manage things like your profile details, notifications, and of course your profile picture. If you manage multiple workspaces, make sure you're in the correct one before proceeding so the change appears where you expect. Now here, click on your avatar. You'll see your current profile image or a placeholder circle with your initials. Selecting it will open the profile image controls so you can make a change. Next, click Upload Avatar. This tells ClickUp you're ready to choose a new image from your device. You may see a prompt or a file picker appear depending on your operating system. Then click Upload and locate your profile image. Browse to the folder where your picture is saved, select it and confirm. For the best results, choose a clear, well-lit image where your face or logo is centered. A square image works especially well, and common formats like JPG and PNG are supported. Avoid very large files to keep things snappy. A moderately sized image will upload faster and still look sharp. If you're representing a team or brand, consider using consistent colors or a logo for a polished, professional appearance. After you select the file, ClickUp will apply your new avatar. You should see it update on your profile area and across the app shortly. If you don't see it right away, give it a moment. Sometimes the change takes a second to appear across all views. On future visits, your new profile picture will help teammates quickly recognize you in comments, tasks, and notifications. That's it. You opened your ClickUp account, clicked on your profile, went into settings, selected your avatar, chose Upload Avatar, and then uploaded and located your new profile image. Simple, quick, and effective. Thanks for following along and enjoy your refreshed ClickUp profile.